ostrich. Come closer, man. Male and a female, I suppose. I guess. I think. Can't tell the difference. What's the difference? If anybody knows, guys, please let me know if the one on the left is a female and one on the right is a male. If you can tell, let me know. So these are ostriches and they are looking like coming to me. I'll just run. Shut up. Okay. Uhu. Okay, sharp guys. See you next time. Okay, Mr. Tasha, this feather, is it for a male or a female?
This is for the male.
This feather is for the male?
Yeah.
Because it's colorful?
It's colorful.
Okay, and then that peacock, what is it?
That one is a male.
It's a male?
Yes.
Because it's colorful?
It's colorful.
The females are not colorful?
Females are not colorful.
Okay.
You see,
yeah.
For an example,
yeah.
see by this one that we are going to move.
Oh, the one with the eggs. Oh, he's hatching the eggs. And it's not colorful. Okay. If you ngaya closer, uzobale.
Ngaya closer, ngaya.
Okay, I'm going closer. It's with the eggs there, so we can see. Water. So that's the female hatching the eggs there. Soon we'll have babies. Ne? Yeah. I'm invited inside by the tour guide who works here. His name is Tesla, to see what they've got in the park. And yes, maybe to learn one thing or two. Okay, let's give him a chance to explain. Keep watching.
Different type of bed. Then from the ostrich starting from
okay.
Yeah.
Him. For real, or this is just artistic?
No, for real.
Ah.
Well,
Yo. Hey. Hey, nami ngiyathuka iqande lingaka.
Layo.
Yer.
Layo.
Okay. So, and then from the egg, that will be the chick, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and all these are all different kinds of baits that are in this park.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So there's a peacock, there's a golden bishop, there's a rock pigeon, and what is that top one? Iole Iguababa.
Hatit, yeah.
Hatit, they call it hatit.
Yeah, hatit, yeah.
Okay.
Then there is a kettle egret.
Cattle egret. Okay. What is that? Black swift.
Yeah.
Okay, that's another bait. Okay, but this big egg, hey, I also learned something today.
Is it?
Yeah, that the peacock's egg is this big. Yarr.
And then this side.
And then
The flamingos.
Okay.
And some of the fish that are found in the water.
Or the flamingo. Okay. You've got flamingos here.
Yes.
Sure.
So.
Tesla. Oh, they are deep. Serious?
Hey, of course.
Yeah.
And this is called.
So it means these ones they need a spy camera, otherwise it's over there. And then you've got also this. What is this? Impala. No more. Or a yik. Impala.
Yeah, somewhere in Pala, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that one you don't have it here. So only for these ones again.
Okay. What is that? Hawk. This one.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
yeah.
no, it's covered owl.
It's called.
Yeah. The hawk is something else. Uhebe hawk. Yeah, uhebe.
Yeah.
Hey. Okay, these are small ones, like medium. But these ones, you come close to them, they fly.
Yeah, they fly, yeah.
Okay. But it means umuntu ama special traps must for so just nje ukuzicapture. Mara ngithi there's camera ihlale i-roller, yeah. Yo.
And then the animals that you do have at the back there, this one, a redback.
Redback.
Yeah. This one is a back.
Okay.
Then ama owl again. Much owl.
Okay.
It's
called.
Yeah, it's called.
It's called vasinchaza 10 almost 360 degrees.
Oh.
Intamo yakhona. Yeah, kusho ukuthi yophela la emhlabeni ekwazi ukuthena the most. Almost I think it's 270 degrees.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ukuthena kwayo.
Ukuthena kwayo kusho ukuthi i10 yakhona is like abnormal. You understand? And sometimes ungacabanga ukuthi ke na vele ibhekile kanti ibhekile kodwa ibhekale mara kodwa i10 it. Ibuyisela nami ngiyibona lapho ku National Geographic ngithi.
Okay. And then ke ama ducks ke sinawo ke lawo.
Okay.
Ama wild ducks ke. But now anamagama wawo njengoba
yes. Futhi ama wild ducks awafuni ukuthi ube close. Afuna usethe i-trap and then go away and then bazoza ke after some time. But manje ukuzicapture lezi zinto lezi sidinga ukuthi ke na obviously ubeke i-special trap. Hey, ufundile ke.
Yeah.
But this is more than what I thought. Okay. Okay, this is the bird's heaven.
Yes.
There's no disturbance. This is nature only, and there's no cars here. This is natural place for the birds and for other animals. Do you have crocodiles or something like that?
No, we don't have dangerous
Animals. Okay, but now they've got freedom here.
freedom.
No one is interfering. No one is chasing them away. They do as they please.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Bird Sanctuary. I'm with Tesla. Is my guide here is showing me things that I didn't know existed in South Africa, in Gauteng, at Bird Sanctuary. This is nature at its best. As you can see, this is natural. So all the birds, the animals, they live here peacefully, no disturbance. And obviously there is a snake somewhere, but what is this now?
This is this thing. I don't know what can I say. I don't know it in fact.
Okay.
What do they call it?
Okay, so can someone tell us what is this and give us a hint? What can we do with it? It is looking beautiful, but it seems like it's not growing anywhere. It's the first time I'm having it. Tell us, what is it? Okay, so this is the nature's heaven. Hey, you're gonna lead the way, brother. Hey, angifuna ukulahlekela emahlathini.
Uzokwazi?
Hey,
Ngeke ulahleke. Yeah. Khona nyana few nyana.
hi. So this is animals kingdom. No disturbance, no humans there, only birds, wild animals, small ones. And yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.